Now let's explore the portfolio functionality. Now, your portfolio, if you haven't populated one, this will be blank, but if you have, it will show you a graph of your diversification by symbol and by sector. It will show you listed stocks that you've added to your portfolio with a sparkline chart of the current price, the average cost basis, your total shares, and your return. You can update your shares, the number of shares you've got. If you have shares at a different cost basis, you can also add those. For example, let's say for QQQI, if I add that now, we now have 2 entries. And the second entry is at a different price point because we added it with today's cost basis. I can update that if I know it's different and update the quantity. And this will show us the total up the top here. You can also switch your portfolios or create more portfolios, and you can change the description. Now, this is useful if you want to segment your stock purchases according to your own organizing principles. Many people have a single brokerage or multiple brokerages, but a very mixed portfolio inside their brokerage, but they may want to track stocks separately. So if you've got a brokerage account where you have all your REITs, all your high yield stocks, high yield dividend stocks for income, and your stable stocks, really your dividend kings or aristocrats, all in the same place, you may want to track them separately. So this allows you to do that by segmenting and creating your own portfolio. So you could put in a description. So testing description. We save that. If I come back into it now, it's there. So if you've got a whole bunch of these and you want to remind yourself on why or how you've set this up, you can put notes in your description. And creating a new portfolio is relatively easy. Just add the name that you like. Let's see, what can we go after? Income stocks. Now go into here, we've got income stocks, and we could add a whole bunch of stocks here. Or maybe we want to change it to covered call ETFs and put some covered call ETFs, some new ones, some old ones, and just my opinion, some risky ones like what is the new high yield ones that are coming out. Here we are, Title Trust, Yield Max ones. So this is the basics of adding to your portfolio and managing your portfolio sections. Keep in mind, depending on your settings, your subscription level, they are rate limited. So just be careful with managing that unless you have the top tier where you can just go all out and add as many as you like. And yeah, this then feeds into your dashboard. So anything you add here, you can track the analysis and overall performance in your dashboard. you have any questions, feel free to reach out. You can do that via the support function. And as always, I always reply to feature suggestions, questions, bugs. I'm very active, so let me know if you find anything or would like anything changed.